This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Lisa Takis. Absolutely stunning. Looking for the perfect home? Look no further. This 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home is pristine and has tons of upgrades. The open floor plan offers an upgraded kitchen with stainless appliances, backsplash, quartz countertops, and large counter for dining and entertaining. Dining room sits comfortably between the kitchen and great room. The great room is open, bright, and overlooks the screened lanai with fenced backyard. The lanai is stunning with the extended pavers, relaxing spa, conveys with the home, and additional pavers extended beyond the screen to enjoy the Florida lifestyle day or night. Upgraded tile flooring throughout the main areas and engineered wood on the stairway adds a special touch to the home design. Home has beautiful fixtures. Lanai has outlets for a TV, cameras, convey, automated blinds on the sliders, upgraded fans in the rooms, tankless water heater, and irrigation. Master bedroom is downstairs, spacious, large walk-in closet, dual sinks and master bath, and a glass enclosed shower. Upstairs is a loft with plenty of room to entertain and 3 additional bedrooms. This home is ready for work and play. Thermostats have Wi-Fi capability and Wi-Fi access points integrated in the home. This very well maintained home looks like a model home. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Takis at 813-563-5995.